Chad with Turn Right. I'm at 7011 Grinder Drive in Austell. Just making a reference video. First thing you can see from looking from the road is that the shrubs need to be trimmed. Some trees need to be removed. That's within the shrubs. A little bit of trash over here. Walk around the outside first. More trash out here, utensils. Lots of vegetation. Make a note on the right exterior here, we need to put a lock and latch on the crawl space door. Backyard. We got a tree right here that's really growing up over the house. Better look at it right here. Deck looks new. Recommend staining that deck though. There's trash on the deck. More limbs overhanging the roof. Trees pretty close to the house. Garage has been converted. Here when you walk in the house, the front door has been kicked in. So one note, replacing the slab on this door. This is the side light door. A little bit of trash. I'm gonna note, basically painting the trim in here, not the walls, just touching up the walls. There'll be several walls throughout the house that need to be touched up. Looks kind of like you got a wall paint and no trim paint last time. So I'm gonna note the trim being painted. Also note a steam clean for the carpets. Here's a wall right here where you do a little bit of mud on it, and then this will be one of the walls getting painted. Glass tabletop. Kitchen. See, the trim's pretty rough in here. No power on, so I can't really check the lights. HVAC and hot water looks brand new. Down bath needs a doorknob. Some more hardware for the bifold. Secure this towel holder. Caulk wet area. We'll move out here first to this garage addition. Kind of dark, there's no power. So I'm noting out here to leave this alone, just clean it real good. I think cleaning it real good will be just fine. The table over there, a little bit of trash. It's like a little office suites or something. Upstairs now. trash. Yeah. Smoke battery and a CO detector up here. It's the up hall bath. Recommend you can't see it over the faucet. Here, I think a door stop. Caulk the wet area. Tub stopper. One of the back secondary bedrooms, just a smoke battery. Pretty much in here, this one with the door scrubs, pretty good on the carpet. Make a note to trim that back before it makes the door get damaged. Paint the trim, and here's pretty much it though. These walls, I'd leave them like they are. Same for in here basically. Don't need a switch plate. Paint the trim. Need a blind, that one's broken. Going to the master. Same in here, just paint the trim only. In here. The trash. This door right here scrubs pretty good. Pretty good scrub on it. Walk to the master bathroom now. Couple sink stoppers. Definitely paint the trim in here. Pretty rough looking. Also, the wall, I don't think you can see in the video, it's like two-tone, so I just recommend painting the 4 walls in here. Ceiling's got a stain on it. Need to check the roof and at minimum kill this and just paint this whole ceiling in here. Missing light bulb. Missing tub stop. That's pretty much it over here though.